In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign Notary, how to perform remote online notarization, 5 minutes. We'll walk through the essentials from signing in to scheduling a remote session so you can confidently complete a notarization without meeting in person. Start by signing in to your Docusign account. Make sure you're using an account that includes notary features. If you don't see notary options later, check with your account admin or plan settings. Next, confirm that you are authorized to perform remote online notarization, often called RON, in your jurisdiction. Rules vary by state and country, and many jurisdictions require you to be an actively commissioned notary with a specific RON registration or endorsement. Ensure your commission is current, that you've met any training or testing requirements, and that RON is permitted for the document types you plan to notarize. This step is critical. Docusign enables the workflow, but your local law determines whether you can use it. Now, set up your notary profile and digital certificate inside Docusign. Click your profile avatar in the upper right corner, then open My Preferences. In the left-hand menu, find and select Notary Profile. And this is where you'll store your commission information, seal details, and the digital certificate you'll use to apply a tamper-evident notarial seal. If you already have a supported certificate, have it ready. If your jurisdiction requires e-seal artwork or additional credentials, gather those as well before proceeding. Within the Notary Profile page, choose Create Jurisdiction. Select your state or jurisdiction from the list. Enter your commission number, commissioning authority, start and expiration dates, and any fields your jurisdiction requires. Upload your digital certificate and seal if prompted, and verify that the information precisely matches your commission records. Accuracy here helps prevent delays and ensures your electronic seal and signature are applied correctly. When everything looks right, click Save. If any required fields are missing, Docusign will prompt you to complete them. Some jurisdictions or accounts may trigger a brief verification or approval step. Simply wait for confirmation before moving on. With your notary profile in place, you're ready to schedule a remote session. From the notary area, set a date and time and add your signer's details so Docusign can send an invitation to join at the scheduled time. Share basic expectations with your signer in advance. Ask them to have a valid government ID, a stable internet connection, and a quiet, well-lit space. Many RON sessions include identity verification steps, so let them know they'll need to complete those before the session begins. That's it. You've signed in, confirmed eligibility, set up your notary profile, saved your jurisdiction, and scheduled your RON session. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next notarization.